What is a flathead engine? A flathead engine, also known as a side valve engine or valve-in-block engine, is an internal combustion engine with its poppet valves contained within the engine block, instead of in the cylinder head, as in an overhead valve engine. Flatheads were widely used internationally by automobile manufacturers from the late 1890s until the mid-1950s, but were replaced by more efficient overhead valve and overhead camshaft engines. They are currently experiencing a revival in low-revving aero engines such as the D motor. Features: tribute to the classics. Taking the Whippet engine designed by Edgar T. Westbury, ETW, in 1963 as the prototype, combined with our design philosophy, we launched this brand new flathead engine, L-head engine. It is the simplest small engine in power equipment, but people will praise it for its good working condition. Reliable structure. Keep the height of the engine at the lowest level. Aesthetically, this gives the four-stroke engine a unique compact appearance. Side valve design, simple structure, and not too heavy. The water circulation is cooled, and there is an independent lubrication system of aluminium so that the engine can run for a long time without paying attention. Excellent quality. Made of carburetor CNC finishing, the integrated crankshaft is hardened, and the surface has electrophorescent paint treatment, which will not fade for a long time, showing the retro industrial green texture of the engine. Con: the characteristic design of the motor and exhaust pipe, the performance will not be inferior to that of OHV engines. Wide application. This will be a very pleasant engine, with greater potential for upgrades, and easier to apply on RC-scale model ships. Of course, it is also an ornamental desktop engine, one of the indispensable engine types in model exhibitions. Creative gift. I believe its quality and performance will be impressive, and this is an interesting experience. It is a perfect supplement for engine model enthusiasts and collectors, and it is also an excellent personalized gift for mechanical enthusiasts. Warm tips. The engine comes with a spark plug, not including the engine base and igniter. Anything about the engine, please feel free to contact us. Improper operation with the instructions helps avoid damage to the machine.